Our virtual events will give you the opportunity to get an insight into the subject you want to study your Masters in,
and allow you to find out about life at the university as a postgraduate student.
We designed the events so that you can easily get all the information about studying here.
Live and interactive events will be running throughout the whole of March,
And a huge range of on-demand resources will be on the web pages for you to explore in your own time.
You'll get the opportunity to find more about the programmes by engaging with our academics.
learn about how you'll be supported at Bristol by a range of services,
And ask our current postgraduates about their experiences.
If you'd like to get a feel for what it's like to live in our dynamic city and study in our beautiful city campus,
you can explore the 360 virtual tour.
We'll also be happy to share what we love about Bristol.
head over to our events website to sign up for sessions relating to your subjects and our support services.
You can sign up for as many as you'd like, and you'll get confirmation emails to remind you of the date of each session.
You can also book your place on weekly live chats with students like me.
So you can ask the questions that really matter to you.
Find out about our vibrant postgraduate community and hear about our experiences at Bristol.
The events will be great for anyone with an interest in postgraduate study.
Maybe you're just beginning your postgraduate planning and interested what programmes Bristol has to offer.
Maybe you've just submitted your application and want to get to know us a bit more.
Maybe you've already received your offer to study here.
And are keen to get a feel for the university and the city before you join us.
Our events will give you the opportunity to get your questions answered, whatever stage you're at.
So register your place for our postgraduate virtual events.